Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Making Home with Megan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook this delicious taco pasta. The ingredients you'll need are either a pound of ground turkey or beef and a packet of taco seasoning, 1 cup of frozen corn, half a box of pasta, I'm using rotini, 1 large onion or 2 small, 1 cup of salsa, and some minced garlic, and 1 bell pepper. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up my produce. So here I have cut up my onions and my pepper. If you're using fresh garlic, you would want to cut it up now as well, but I'm using frozen minced garlic, so I don't need to today. In a large pot or Dutch oven, you're going to want to add a little bit of olive oil and saute your meat and your peppers and onions together until the meat is cooked all the way through and your onions are translucent and your peppers are soft. Alright, my meat is cooked up. If you're using ground beef instead of turkey, now you would want to drain off the grease before you add anything else. In this bowl here, I have my garlic taco seasoning, 1 cup of salsa, and my 1 cup of corn. I'm just going to add all of it into the pot and give it a really good stir until it's well combined. Alright, now that all of that is combined, I'm going to be adding in my water so that I can cook the pasta. You're going to want to start off with 2 cups of water and then add your pasta in, and you're going to cook it and see if you need to add more water. And the way that you're going to do that is if the noodles absorb all of the moisture before they're done cooking, you're going to want to slowly, little by little, add a little bit more water in, just enough so that the noodles can cook and that a sauce can be made by what's in the pot, but not too much. You can also add more taco seasoning as necessary, depending on how much more liquid you're going to add. My noodles are coming along great, as you can see here, but they're still a little bit tough. So at this point, I went ahead and I added in an additional half a cup of water, and that was just enough to get all of these noodles cooked perfectly and have sauce left over. Here is my pasta. It looks and smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it and put all of my toppings on. Alright, here's my bowl. I top mine off with some Mexican shredded cheese and a little bit of sour cream. You can add whatever taco toppings you would traditionally add to your pasta and it would taste amazing. I really do hope you give this recipe a try. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.